Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change CLI background color in Cisco packet teaser. So what is the CLI? This is, if we click this, so this is the background. So we wanna change this background color. So how? Click. So for this case we will go to the options, go to the preference. So here the front color, see the router iOS background. So in this background by default it has router iOS background white. We wanna change this black, not green, then apply, then close, then change. See, the background has been changed. So in this way we can change this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.